Welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. In this video, I will be sharing a useful application with you. The best and accessible application for alarm. With this application, you can set multiple alarms with text labels, and the application is very helpful because I am using this application for the past 2 to 3 weeks. So let's start the video. The application name is Alarm Clock Beyond. Application link will be finding in our description below, and also I have already shared the application link into our Telegram channel. So don't forget to join our Telegram channel to get latest updates at first. Let me open the application.
Alarm clock. Reorder alarms.
So most of the time, basically those who are using Redmi or Realme phones, the default alarm clock are not working properly. Most of the time it's inaccessible for visually impaired users. This is why I'm making this video. So don't forget to press the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Now let's explore what are the options there.
Alarm stats.
Alarm stats.
Reorder alarms.
Reorder alarms.
Alarm stats.
Alarm stats means alarm status.
More options. Button.
More options.
No alarms found. Image.
So no alarms found. Friends, I will create a new alarm now. But before this, there are 2 to 3 tabs available. So at the bottom left,
Selected. Alarm.
Alarm.
Tab. Timer. Tab.
Timer.
204. Stopwatch.
Stopwatch.
Tab. Clock. Tab.
Clock.
404.
So these 4 tabs are available. I think you know the work or the feature of the tabs. So I'm not exploring all the tabs right now. If you want to know more, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely make another video.
Alarm. Reorder alarms.
Reorder alarms will help you. Suppose you have 15 alarms and you want that alarm number 1 will be replaced with alarm number 3. You can easily do this.
Alarm. No alarm. Create alarm. Button.
So click on create alarm to start alarm creation.
Clock beyond. Nav. Create active.
Active.
Tick box.
So alarms active.
09 button.
This is time. Now it's time to set your alarm. So for example, I am setting the time 11 AM to start my work. Okay.
10 11 button.
So I'm clicking on 11.
11 replace 10 11 59 button.
59.
00 edit box.
Okay, so 00. It's okay.
1 hour and 30 minutes from now.
Okay, 1 hour and 30 minutes from now.
Alarm label spoken reminder none.
Alarm label spoken reminder. Let's check what are the options there.
Alarm label help button.
Help.
Showing help cancel button.
Okay, so here you need to type the level which will be spoken by your Google TTS. So let's say I'm typing
delete.
Hey Ratul. So I have typed Hey Ratul, start your work.
Cancel button.
So I'm
okay
clicking on
button.
OK button.
Alarm clock beyond. Alarm label spoken reminder. Hey Ratul, start your work. Keyboard hidden.
This is the level which I want to get the spoken feedback. Now I am swiping from left to right to see what are the options there.
Alarm type.
Alarm type.
Help button. Ticked. 1 time or weekly. Radio button.
1 time in a weekly or weekly.
Not ticked. Calendar date S. Radio button.
You can choose the specific calendar dates also. Suppose you need to go on important meeting or you need to join an important meeting on a specific date and time. You can tell this application and the app will remind you.
All button.
All button means every time.
Sun button, all button,
So
mon button,
I want this alarm Monday to Saturday. So I'm clicking on Mon.
weekly repeat, Tuesday, weekly repeat,
Tuesday,
wed, weekly,
Wednesday,
weekly repeat,
Thursday,
Friday, weekly,
Friday,
sad, weekly
Saturday.
repeat, sound type, ringtone,
So sound type ringtone. There are lots of options. So I am suggesting you to keep it as it is.
select ringtone, alarm music,
Select ringtone,
good
alarm
morning,
music. So I am not showing you or I am not playing any music because there is a chance to get copyright issues. So that's why
alarm volume,
alarm
sound,
volume, sound,
93% slider,
93% slider. So I'm just
93%, gradually increase volume, 30 seconds,
gradually increase volume, 30 seconds.
speak time and label, speak after 30 seconds,
Speak time and level. So speak after 30 seconds, but I'm suggesting you keep it 5 seconds or 10 seconds because you need to listen the level. This is the special feature of this application which is not available the default application in your app or phone. So that's why I'm choosing
speak 45 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds, immediately, 5 seconds, 3 of 23,
so I'm choosing 5 seconds.
alarm clock beyond, speak repeat, every
Speak
5
repeat.
minutes,
Every 5 minutes,
snooze,
snooze,
allow snooze, on, switch,
allow snooze on switch. So if you turn it off, then the snooze option is not available.
snooze method, snooze method, press on screen button,
Press on screen button.
snooze duration, 5
Snooze
minutes,
duration 5 minutes.
dismiss, allow snooze method,
Snooze method.
snooze
Let's
method,
check.
sliding button, 2
Sliding
of 6,
button.
solve math problems,
Solve
3 of
math
6,
problems.
repeat captcha code,
Repeat
4 of
captcha
6,
code.
shake device, 5
Shake
of 6,
device. So if you want to shake, turn it on. Just shake your device and the alarm will be snoozed.
walking, 6 of 6,
Walking, just
help, button, cancel, button,
I'm just
alarm
pressing
clock beyond,
cancel.
snooze, dismiss, dismiss method, press on screen button,
dismiss method. Press on
Advanced.
screen button. Advanced.
show advanced, button,
Let's say what are the options in show advanced.
make shorten snoozes each time, do not shorten, Mayday mode loud alarm, disabled,
Mayday board loud
advanced,
alarm.
maximum number of snoozes, unlimited, auto
Okay.
snooze duration, never,
Okay.
auto dismiss duration, never,
Okay.
vibrate during alarm, off, switch,
You can turn it on.
prevent lowering volume, off, switch, upcoming alarm notification, on, switch,
Okay.
reset alarm, this will reset it to the default settings,
So everything you can change from this application. So I think this application helps you a lot. So if really, then hit the like button, hit the share button and hit the subscribe button, press bell icon and choose all notification to get latest updates. Don't forget to let me know how this application helps a lot to you into the comment section. And if you want to join our Telegram channel, the link is available in the video description box and you can also search on Telegram. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and don't forget to join our Telegram group also. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.